Hello, beautiful mama. If you're a new mom, this is for you. I'm going to be teaching and showing you how to bath your baby the traditional way, which is very important because it helps them sleep better. So, this video is a traditional newborn baby bath. Let's get into it. So, what I'm doing right now is that I'm going to sterilize this pacifier with hot water. Yes. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to disinfect his water, which is very, very important. You have to disinfect his water. Then you have to test the water temperature. Yes, that is another important thing. So please do not forget. Test the water temperature on your body. You can use your hand, you can use your wrist, you can use, but you have to test the water temperature on your body before you use it on your baby. So now I want to wash his hair. Yes, I use a very good product, yes, for his hair there. And I'm going to just rub his hair. I don't need to scrub because he's a newborn. So there's nothing much scrubbing, you understand? So I'm just going to rub his hair and wash it very gentle, very, very light. I'm going to be gentle and light while doing that. So, like as I was saying earlier, do not scrub, just rub. Yes, you don't need to be scrubbing your baby's hair with so much force. No, you don't need to do that. Just wash their hair gently. Please be very, very gentle. So with that done, I'm just going to comb his hair. Yeah. Just going to comb it very light. Yeah. And get to the next step. Now that is done, we are going to start the bath time now. So I'm just going to remove his pampers. Yes, and another thing again to note is that I use different brands of pampers. Whenever my baby has rash, I switch the pampers brand. That's a diapers brand to another brand, and it works wonders. So sometimes your baby might just be reacting to the brand of diaper that they are using. So switch. So now I want you to see how I wash my baby's face. I start with washing his face first. Yes, because washing their face can be a hassle. It can be so stressful. So this is what I do. I just use my hands with the shower gel and I rub on the face. Then when I'm done rubbing the face, now it's time to rinse his face. This is the method I use. So I will turn his face downwards. Then when I'm cleaning his face, I'm just dipping my hands into the water and just, you understand, cleaning his face. This is to prevent water from entering your baby's mouth, your baby's eyes, and your baby's nose. So this is the best way. You can use towel, but I prefer this way, and it's better. You can see that he's not crying, so you can see that I'm doing it well. So now it's bath time. So I'm just going to um start bathing, and this is what I do. Just gently and very light. Yes, please don't use force when you are bathing your baby. Please, you have to be very gentle and light. Your hands very free. Do you understand? Don't tighten your hands. And this is it. I'm just going to blur his bum bum and all. You understand? Just to protect his privacy, which is very important. Very very important. So now that we are done with that, I'm just going to rinse his body. And now it is time for me to teach you how I use the hot towel method. Yes, the hot water towel method, very important for your baby to sleep soundly. You need to do this method, please. It's very, very important. So keep watching. So using the hot water towel method, I'm just going to dip the towel in hot water and I'm going to use it to press his body, more like a massage. You get? This is very important. Yeah, I just it does wonders for me. My baby sleeps well. You understand? And I learned this from my mom and I learned it also from my mother-in-law. So it's very, very important. You can also give it a go. You understand? Just and mix the water. Let it be a little, let it be a warm but not too warm. You understand? And always another thing to notice is always eat, drink, and test anything first before you use it on your baby. Very important. So remember to always eat, drink, and test anything on yourself first before you give your baby or use it on your baby. So now this is the hot water method. This is what I'm doing. You can see I'm just dipping the towel in hot water, using it to massage his body. Yes, which is very, very important so that they can sleep soundly because we know that is good news for new moms. Oh my goodness, it is for us, so it is. Another thing I wanted to point out, and I want you to do, maybe I think I didn't really show it in this video, but I did it if you watched closely, was that using the hot water method, I used the towel to also um press on the his navel. You understand? You know, after the navel has healed, you understand? So you can also use the towel to just let the heat go into the navel. Anyways, if you found this helpful, please follow for more tips on motherhood, baby care, and for women evolving into their best selves. I will see you in my next one. Mwah, mamas.